Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a drawing practice of simplifying human figure drawing. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial we will explore various methods of simplified figure drawing and study of forms. For today's artistry trivia, who is known as the father of Indian animation, who has contributed in making Ramayana, The Legend of Prince Rama, and Meena, an animated series in collaboration with UNICEF. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. In this tutorial, we will address the problem of a lot of students of how to draw or simplify the human figure drawing. Along with making figure drawing better, this method is also a good practice for aspiring animators. This method will also help you in drawing from imagination for concept art and more. This method requires the knowledge of basic human proportions. So to refresh that knowledge, watch these videos on our channel. Let's start with the first drawing. In this pose, our character is stretching his body. Begin with a circle shape for the head. For the torso, we will draw a curved rectangle. To draw the limbs, we will use cylinders. And as of for his feet, we will use triangular shape. Once we are done with basic sketch, we can add clothes facial feature in detail. Now let's move to the next drawing. Start by drawing a circle for the head. This time we will draw the torso using cylinder, which will help us in understanding the form of the torso better. We have a hand and leg in front, so we will draw them using cylinder to indicate foreshortening. If we draw a line along the center, we will be able to differentiate between the part of the torso and the head that is coming towards us and going away from us. Now let's start with third and the last sketch. Start this sketch with a line of action which indicates force and general direction of the action. In this sketch, our character is pointing at something while his body weight is on the left leg. Using the same method as previously, complete the drawing. Once you are done with the sketch, we can put in other details like clothes and facial expressions. One of the major advantages of this method is it helps you in drawing from imagination, which a lot of artists struggle with. However, to be able to draw from imagination, first draw using reference, and once you feel comfortable, try drawing from imagination. This is an exaggerated drawing which are used in comics and animation. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Ram Mohan, often referred to as the father of Indian animation, was a pioneering animator and director known for his groundbreaking work in Indian animation. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.